hindi lang po siya opportunity to introduce balanced meals, cute food. It's an opportunity to teach.
I love his reaction, yung nagiging expressions niya.
May bonding kasi yan eh. We include them in the process of planning their bound. Medyo may bonding kasi yan eh na because we include them in the process of planning their bound. Like, tell me what you want like a specific character. At nagbigay rin siguro sa kanila ng confidence. Yun, if you encourage them talaga to, to do it for themselves, kayang-kaya ng bata eh. There are no limits.
It is also an opportunity to teach lessons. So, kunyari, shapes ang lesson nila. You can cut your bentos into shapes or colors. You can include food in specific colors, or you can cut your letter. Kung spelling, you can spell out or even include a special message. So, hindi lang po siya opportunity to introduce balanced meals, cute food. It's an opportunity to teach.
Pag nakikita nung anak ko na maganda yung baon niya, so parang I love his reaction, yung nagiging expressions niya. Parang kami po, team. Siya yung minsan nagpaplano kung ano gustong gawin ko sa baon niya, and then ako yung nag-research, parang paano po siya sa food i-create, yung ganon. Kahit wala kang cutters, you just need some cling wrap, scissors, and then some toothpicks, ganon. Hindi naman kailangan talaga meron kang mga molders. Kahit simple lang. Ano lang talaga, tiyaga.